Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Now typically, pastrami is made from brisket. Sometimes you decide on a Wednesday that I want pastrami on Sunday. Well, what if we made it out of tri-tip? Greetings and welcome to the Galley of the Sun. Here we are in Mazatlan, Mexico.
Hey, welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. You can probably tell we're not in the oasis right now, and if you follow us on Facebook, you would know that we are researching down in beautiful Mazatlan. We're staying in a gorgeous 4-bedroom penthouse in Torres Mazatlan Resort.
So recently we were in Mazatlan, Mexico, and like any normal American tourist in Mazatlan, we checked out their Walmart. And I ran across some Argentine chorizo and how the chimichurri goes with it.
That's really good. I like that a lot.
Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Try this one first.
Okay.
This is chili Colorado with ancho chilies. We made the dish before. I know the chili Colorado is great, right? Is this better?
It's really good. It's got a nice smoky tone to it. So it adds another dimension to it. A little bit more depth than...
What can be a better comfort food than potato soup? Well, I'll tell you. It's Cajun potato soup. Alrighty, so here we are inside at our favorite butcher shop, Traub's in Surprise, Arizona. And we're getting ourselves some brontosaurus ribs. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. We are back at our official butcher shop, Traub's.
It's you. It's me. Okay, very good.
Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So, we got ourselves another toy. A shawarma cooker. Alrighty, so we'll keep repeating this until we get it all together. Then we're gonna head out and get it on the shawarma cooker. We'll see you out there. We are in the middle of a crazy freaking windstorm right now. However, where I have this set up, I'm not feeling much right here, so we may be okay. Looks like it's time to start carving some of the meat off the outside of this.
Burger patty is good and juicy. It goes well with the onion.
This will probably be the best Greek pulled pork you've ever had in your life.
Probably.
Yeah. Well, how'd we do?
It's a unique flavor.
Okay.
Not a bad flavor. It's actually pretty good.
All right, we're back in from the grill. We have a beautiful dish prepared. Now for our beautiful judge. He's never been to Peru, but he's still gonna judge our chicken. So, we'll bring in Bradley for the judgment.
That's good.
All
I
right.
like that sauce.
So the chopped cheese sandwich, invented in New York in the bodegas. Well, what if it was invented in the Pacific Northwest, in Seattle? Today we'll find out. And I ran across one of Doug's videos from Griddle Cook Eat and More. He made this incredible thing called a chopped cheese sandwich. That Doug from Griddle Cook Eat and More has got me on a chopped cheese frenzy. In or around the great city of St. Louis, Missouri, there's a man named Doug. He runs the YouTube channel Griddle Cook Eat and More, and he inspired me with his chopped cheese sandwich. So here is our take on the chopped cheese sandwich. Doug from Griddle Cook Eat More. He started all of this. He made that chopped cheese sandwich. It looked great. But I wasn't gonna do the same thing, so I did a variation. Did a Washington chopped cheese, did a chili dog chopped cheese, did a pizza chopped cheese. That was good. And then Doug came back and did a St. Louis chopped cheese. Pretty damn good looking sandwich. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So as you can see, I'm working. Why am I working? Well, that's because a few days ago, I was in the shower. And as I was lathering up this specimen of humanity, I had an idea. You know, I was thinking about how much I loved Pillsbury orange rolls. And then I thought about how much I love pork belly. Pig. YouTube content creator. Well, anyway, so cooking with peanut butter, sort of weird, sort of different. And then I thought of Jim from Jim's Kitchen. So together, we are going to do a peanut butter collaboration. Stay tuned for some hijinks.
Oh my heavens! You've caught me again with my snout in the peanut butter jar.
There we go. On. Tri-tip pastrami, 666.